Does anybody recognize this? It is the Messerschmitt ME-109, built by my father and I back in 1966, 67. It's been a long time ago, but it's a balsa wood, tissue on balsa wood model, and it's an ME-109 German fighter. My daddy was infatuated with German fighters. There's the Fokker triplane, and it's got that forbidden symbol on it. Oh my God, it's gonna get me demonetized. So, and it used to have a rubber band that you could twist the thing up and make it fly, but it's so fragile, and you can see the size of it. It's big. Anyway, I had to take it apart and glue one, not take it apart, but get it out and glue one of these struts back on them, the landing covers. And yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.